All right, so for this one, I'm going to use the red. Whoa, red, calm down. Whoa. Should I just leave it as that? Yeah, let's do it in the big red one. All right, hey, let's do this in our head since red's so big. We're going to plug the 4 into this x. That would be the square root of 4, which is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have a 0 on top right now. If I plug the 4 into this, 4 minus 4 is 0 over 0. Is this dude indeterminate? Heck yeah, now let's use some algebra, people. All right, so I'll use some algebra here. How are we going to change this guy? How will we change him? Well, he has a radical, and that should tip you off as to what we're going to do. Are you guys familiar with the word conjugate? Yeah. Not conjugal, conjugate. Not Spanish conjugates, math conjugates. Conjugates, what we're going to do is multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate. So we have x minus 4 on the bottom. So the conjugate of the square root of x minus 2 is square root of x plus 2. And this is going to be a gigantic one. It's a behemoth one. Should I draw the one again? Look at that behemoth one. That's a big one. Okay, so and then I multiply them. But guys, it's not that bad because if you remember multiplying differences of squares, you guys remember doing this? Yeah. If you multiply x minus 5 times x plus 5, you would get x squared minus 25, right? That's if you FOIL or do the tabular method, whatever. You would get this. So up here we do the same thing. We're just going to take this first term and square it. So what is the square root of x squared? X. It is x. All right, so I just put an x right here. Oh, no, where's my red one? There you go. X, yeah, nice fat and xy. All right, and then the next one is minus. Now what is 2 squared? Quattro. All right, you guys still with me? Now we have to multiply this times this, which I'm like, heck no, I'm just going to write it down. So I'm just going to write it down. All right, I had to put the red on a diet. Yeah, red's looking so much nicer right now, huh? Oh, red, what's going on? Okay, hey, slow death or fast death? Slow death. Peace out, x minus 4. Ah! Okay, next one. Ah! All right, they died. And so what am I left with? I'm left with 1 over. I know, they're probably going to come into my room and start yelling at me. Limit as x approaches quattro. Right? Right. Okay, let's plug it into the bottom. What do we get? Come on, my little intellectuals. 1 over 4 is our answer. Done.